Today, I'm going to show you how to use the AI powerhouse Google AI Studio to level up your dropshipping workflow. From building fully functional tools that boost your dropshipping store content creation even with zero coding skills, to generating standout blog posts and professional high-quality videos from static images in just minutes, Google AI Studio makes it all possible. So, will Google AI Studio deliver good results? Let's find out. So, before we run some tests, let's just understand what Google AI Studio is and how it's different from other AI tools. Google AI Studio is a browser-based tool that lets you build and test AI prompts using Gemini models. It helps you create content, analyze data, and automate tasks, all without needing to code. You can prototype AI workflows, fine-tune prompts, and export directly to apps or APIs. It's perfect for marketers, developers, and dropshippers who want to harness AI quickly and easily. Oh, and did I mention that it's free? Yeah, you heard that right. It's free, my friends. While other AI tools charge for similar features, Google AI Studio gives you a fully functional tool to create with AI at no cost at all. Now, just to clarify, using it isn't like chatting with Gemini, where you get answers based on questions. Google AI Studio is all about using structured prompts. All right, let's just put Google AI Studio to a real test right now, okay? And the first test that we're gonna do is creating custom images. Now, you might be thinking, custom images? That's nothing new. Well, we already have tools like Canva that can do that. But here's what makes Google AI Studio stand out. It's the super realistic level of the images, and the whole concept behind the image creation. So let's just try it out, all right? I'm gonna open right now Google AI Studio, as you can see here, and I'm gonna click here on Generate Media. Then I'm gonna select the image and model for this task, all right? And then now we just give it a prompt. I want to create an image of a woman receiving a package with the store name on it. Something that could work perfectly on a shipping policy page for any drop shipping store and increase the store credibility. And here's the prompt that I'm going to use. Generate a realistic image of a happy 25-year-old woman holding a shipping box she just received. Show her standing at her doorstep so it looks like she received the package right outside her home. Add a small text of Zenflex Yoga at the bottom of the package and blend it so it appears as if they were printed directly on the shipping box. So overall, the image looks great, definitely super realistic. Now, I can take this version and add it to the shipping policy page of my dropshipping store and even create more to use throughout my dropshipping store. And the best part is that there are no copyright limitations, so I can use it confidently that I won't have any legal issues. The only thing that I find missing here is the ability to communicate with AI for image editing. As of today, if I want to fix something in an image, like remove parts, enhance colors, or make it similar adjustments, it's just not possible. Instead, the tool generates an entirely new image. For this next task, we are going to combine two powerful tools, all right? The Google AI Studio and Zik Analytics. We're going to use Google AI Studio to create a software that scans TikTok and bring us the latest trending products. And yes, we can absolutely build something like this without any coding experience. And then we will use Zik Analytics to verify the data and analyze the numbers behind one of the trends. Okay, we'll start here by clicking on the build tool, and I'm going to create the following prompt. Create a software that scans the entire TikTok platform to identify the latest product trends being posted. I want to be able to click a button to start the scan, and the output should display the top 10 trending products currently being advertised on TikTok. Also, show me the reason each product trend was selected to appear in the results. All right, and look at that, my friends. So I can see that Google AI Studio has started generating the code for our software, and I'm really curious to see how the final result's gonna be. So we are 3 minutes later, and look at that, the software is ready. Now it comes down to the moment of truth. Let's just click here, scan, and look at that, it's loading. And just like the description says, our AI is analyzing millions of posts for the latest trends. Here comes the results, and I'm already seeing some promising options in strong niches. Look at that. It's crazy. Like this one, like this electric protein shaker bottle, cloud slippers, and much more. Look at that. But for now, let's just dig deeper into the portable mini projector, all right? I want to verify two main things here. One, is this niche actually performing well in other Shopify stores, or is it just a TikTok hype with no sales behind it? And the second thing I want to check it out is that which type or model of portable projector is selling best, so I can confidently add the right one to my own dropshipping store. To start the research, I'm just using the Product Explorer tool in Zik Analytics, and this tool shows product performance, sales data, and insights about Shopify stores that are selling them. And so we can get a clear picture of what's working. And for this search, I'm just going to type in the keyword here, mini projector. Okay, and I'm going to leave the rest as it is, the filters as they are. And then I'm going to hit search right here. So in the past 30 days, Shopify stores sold between 50 to 160 units of mini projectors. That's not a massive volume, but it's important to note that most of these products are priced over $100, which makes them high ticket items. And that usually means higher profit margins. So even though they're not selling in huge quantities, the potential for profit is still strong. And by analyzing the results here, I can also see a trend. The best selling mini projectors tend to have a round or square shape, not the ones shaped like novelty items like astronauts or characters, all right? And another key factor here is the projection quality, which is often full HD to 4K in the top sellers. Let's take just this product here as an example, and it's selling for $122.47, and it was sold 28 times in the past 30 days. It fits exactly what we identified: round design and 4K projection. Now, if I click here in the item finder, I can search for the exact product on AliExpress. So I'm going to do that. Here we go. Look at that. And I found the same item for $78.30 plus $5.91 for shipping. That's a total of $84.21. That means that the dropshipping store that's selling this product is making about $34 in profit per sale after Shopify fees. With 28 sales, that's around $952 in profit. It's not bad at all. So it looks like Google AI Studio did a solid job identifying a strong niche, and with Zik Analytics, we were able to drill down and find the specific winning product in that niche using sales data. All right, before I show you the results that I got when I asked Google AI Studio to create a video from just one static image, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to everyone here in Zik Analytics. And if you want to use the same research tools that I'm using, again, subscribe to Zik Analytics for just $1 for the first week. All right, so let's just give Google AI Studio another test. For those of you who wants to run a niche or general dropshipping store and need original content for social media, buying every product just to create content can be extremely expensive, and honestly, it's not the smartest move when you're just starting out. That's exactly why I want to test something powerful with Google AI Studio. I'm going to upload an image of one of the products I'm selling in my dropshipping store, and I'm going to ask AI to animate it. And the goal here is to create an eye-catching social media post or even paid ads using original animated content from just a static image. And to do this, I'm just going to head over to generate media, and I'm going to select video for this task. Now, I'm going to upload the image of the mini projector we found earlier using Zik Analytics, and then I'm going to type a prompt like this: animate this image. Okay, so it's generating. All right, and after 42 seconds, we've got our video. Let's just watch it. Do you see that? Seriously, just wow. I am honestly impressed. It looks like I hired a professional animator to do this. Google AI even recognized the product as a projector and knew exactly where to simulate the projection light and the animation. Wow. So let's just compare the original image with the animated version side by side, and look at that. This test, definitely a success. And the best part, again, it's completely free, my friends, completely free. Now, I can take this animated video and use it in TikTok posts, Instagram Reels, or even paid ads. No product shoot needed, just AI, creativity, and a great tool. Let's give Google AI Studio another challenge, and this time we will ask it to create a blog post with SEO optimized content and images that match the topic visually to grab the buyer's attention. And why is this important? Well, SEO, or search engine optimization, is how we signal to platforms like Google that our content is valuable and relevant. So great SEO means better rankings, which means more traffic to your dropshipping store. And here's the thing, because Google AI Studio is built by Google, it knows exactly what kind of keywords, structure, and content help blog posts perform well in Google search. So using this tool to write a blog content gives us a serious edge. And for this, I'm just gonna click here on chat, okay? Then I'm just gonna use this prompt here. Hello, I have an online store that sells mini projectors, and I want to rank higher on Google for keywords related to this niche. Please create a blog post about the history of home cinema and include where mini projectors fit in and what benefits they bring to private homes. Also generate relevant images that fit the blog post and include them within the content. Boom, my friends. So right away I can see that this is an easy task for Google AI Studio. It instantly starts writing a blog post and even gives a title, from Nickelodeon to Netflix and beyond, a century of home cinema evolution. Wow, just the title is amazing. And here's the best part. It also generates custom images that perfectly match each section of the blog with no copyright restrictions. That means I can simply copy, literally, I can just simply copy and paste this blog post in my store's blog and start attracting organic traffic from search engines like Google. All of this from a single, simple prompt. All right, the next and the final test I will ask Google AI Studio to perform is a smart search for the best targeting strategy to use in Google Ads campaigns. Now, since Google Ads is part of the same ecosystem as Google AI Studio, the AI has access to similar data sources. That's why I expect real data-backed insights like, the best keywords to target, the optimal ad placements to maximize exposure and stretch the ad budget effectively. And to do this, I'm just gonna head over to the chat feature in Google AI Studio, and then I'm gonna enter the following prompt. Simple one, short. I say, well, I have an online store and I want to sell this mini projector using Google Ads. All right, and this is the link of the model that I'm selling. And then I write, please scan your database and suggest the best keywords to target for maximizing purchases. Also, tell me which placements in Google Ads I should focus on. I want a complete action plan for this campaign. All right, let's see what Google AI Studio comes back with. All right, and look at that. We are getting a full action plan here already. You can see it. Wow, the data looks pretty solid. Let's quickly review some of the insights we received. All right, I am really glad I asked Google AI Studio to handle this task because the suggestions here are actually very valuable. Under broad keywords, I found some interesting options that I wouldn't have thought to target, like pocket projector or mobile projector. In the long tail keyword section, I also see some powerful phrases like mini projector under $100 and best mini projector for camping. And these are highly specific and show real buying intent. As for Google Ads placement, it recommends both the Google Search Network and Google Shopping, which totally makes sense for a physical product like this. Overall, this test was definitely a success. By applying these data-driven insights directly from Google's own ecosystem, I can potentially increase my chances of running profitable campaigns on Google Ads. All right, so that's the end of our video. As you have seen, using Google AI Studio in your daily dropshipping workflow can be a game changer, especially since we're talking about a powerful tool from Google that's currently free to use. So please go take advantage of it. Experiment with that. Feel what works for you. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.